food-wise, what are you saying, man? Number one dish, something personal about yourself. Go to one dish, what would it be?
Start with Monana.
My dish is palak and gosht,
Oh,
sukka puna.
oh.
Yeah, and tazi roti.
Allah.
So for that, for my
got-
English-speaking audience, that's meat
Yeah, with
spinach.
yeah.
Not too much curry or gravy involved.
Yeah, I know.
It's fresh bati.
Are you for the makaini rotiyan?
Not too much of a Mackay guy, very honest with you.
We just had this the other day.
I'm a desi guy though. I would love my desi.
I don't mind them. They're nice. Yeah.
What?
But you know, mine's is gonna be like a roti and keema.
Keema.
I love
okay.
keema.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gosht
Keeping
like
it
keema,
keep
gosht keema or
Gosht
like
keema,
Khote
keema,
wala keema to nahi na. See, gosht.
I'm a gosht guy, you know.
No, gosht is red meat.
Oh yeah, right. Okay.
Some people have chicken keema, don't they?
Oh no, that's Zulum yard.
So
Stick to asal.
Desi food.
Yeah, no, sorry, I had to ask that question. Just saying, I chucked that on Abu Asam and
No
he liked
vegans were
yeah.
harmed in the recording.
Oh yeah, let's make that clarification. So let's go here because we've got 2 minutes left for salam. Only may Allah reward you for taking. Obviously, you just done a bayan. You came all the way, drove, then had food, then bayan, and then this. So quite.
You know,
a lot.
I was thinking of the bayan Mulana. Because wallahi, my heart got quite emotional with regards to the khidmah you done, man. And I got loads of du'as to your family, man.
It's our pleasure, believe me. This was one of the things that, and talking about misogynistic, I actually looked for this in the spouse I looked for. I ain't gonna be shy as well. A woman who can cook and who had a jazba for khidmah. Wallahi, I'm being serious. And I actually, when it came time to choosing a rishta, I said to my dad, these are the two sharait. Number one, in it. And believe me, to that extent, I'm even gonna go a step further. I even tasted the food before I got married, just to make sure. Bro, wallahi.
What's your favorite dish?
Honestly, I'm. It's kind of a bit of a tear between because I am a big fan, right, of proper pulao chawal, gosht wale chawal.
Oh yeah.
It's either that or like you have bai as well. I'm torn between the two.
That's
But inshallah, we'll finish off on this note.
So
Inshallah.
the good thing is you don't wear an apron in the kitchen, then that's good.
No, Alhamdulillah, I can cook because of the barakah. I've been in
No,
tabligh and stuff in madrasa, but she does everything. No, straight up.
You never chose a plastic Barbie doll.
No. Yeah, alhamdulillah, I'll be honest with you. I got into the relationship knowing that she's gonna manage that side. I'll manage the other side.